Hey, this is the Gun-Toting Pacifist. Welcome back to the channel. It is that time of year where we're finding pumpkin-infused products all over the market. Today we're going to talk about a few of the items that I enjoy. Stick around. This is how I enjoy a pumpkin latte while at the range. This is how I enjoy a piping hot spiced pumpkin tea while relaxing at home. That hit the spot. And this is how I enjoy a pumpkin ale on a refreshing Saturday evening, taking in Mother Nature. Ah, so refreshing. Wait, how do they break the pumpkin down enough to get into these products? Oh.